You are going to love the 2021 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Your new ride is just a phone call away.